it's raining a lot. And it's supposed to rain all weekend. And it's Canada Day. Well, can make the best out of this though. So I'm totally not going anywhere. I just always wanted to do the run out of the house into the truck like I'm going somewhere scene. It turned out okay. So as you can tell, it's totally stopped raining, but it'll stop for 10 minutes, piss rain, blue sky. It'll rain uptown, but not downtown and not out in Brock. Well, you get the gist, town's for weather. But I am doing something super awesome tonight. It's the round table film sessions, which is a bunch of other creators and myself get together and talk about ideas, film us talk about ideas, and help each other out with making videos. It's a super cool little session we got going on. I think tonight might involve a green screen, so yeah, that's going to happen in a couple hours, but and it's going to be super rad, so let's film some of that. Yeah. So this time I actually am going somewhere. Heading down to Corey's place for roundtable sessions. Gonna be awesome. Let's go. So just arriving at Corey's place for the roundtable sessions. Let's go check it out.
Downtown, like the only camera shop in town.
What's up?
Hey, what's up? It's hard when having a camera shoved in your face you're not ready for it.
Been here like 5 minutes and it's already rolling, like ideas are flowing. It's a wicked space to create.
God damn, that's so
people.
bright, man. It's whenever we get one down,
So,
we post it on YouTube.
Ideas are
One
coming,
day,
flowing.
if one...
Green screen in it. I'm gonna be an off-world vlogger, perhaps, maybe out in space, floating around. But I just learned that a green screen is actually just a green screen. It's pretty neat.
You can do just anything. Go see the pyramids, Sphinx. To find a picture of the fucking Sphinx now on the internet.
Yeah, Arkansas.
I don't know whether we're doing it in Arkansas.
Yeah, I want to know a cool fact about Arkansas.
Well, what do you know about Kansas?
I don't know that we're not there anymore.
Boom.
What would you know about Kansas if you thought about Kansas right
Tornadoes.
Flat.
Flat.
Yeah, flat, grass,
Hey Mike, you want
Toto.
to go back?
Okay, what's the opposite
Josh,
of
move
flat?
over here.
Big boobs.
Right there.
This is what's happening.
there it is.
We're double vlogging.
Let's
Behind the green, in front of the green screen.
to the arch.
Behind it. So last night's roundtable sessions were epic. So many rad ideas. Inspiring to be around all those guys. Sorry to skip to the next day like this, but kind of just fell apart at the end there. But had a wicked time. And now me and the fam are gonna head downtown to the farmers market, which they have every Saturday, which is pretty awesome. So let's go check that out.
Real bad boy. I've got a ton of gravel in my shoes, world on my shoulder, a heart full of blues. I'm in the dirt, down in the dirt. been real bad. I've been a real bad boy.
So the farmers market is all local people that make things and organic things and set it up on Saturdays, and you can go check it out. It's pretty awesome to have that in your city. So we're done with the farmers market and we're gonna go for a nice stroll through Riverside Park.
Down all night, starting to calm down with the morning light. I'm in the dirt, down in the dirt, down in the dirt, down in the dirt, down in the dirt.
So wonderful walk downtown with the family through the park, farmers market. Beginning to be a wonderful, great day for an afternoon.